UNgqongqoshe wezempilo uthi kusenzima kuhulumeni ukunxenxa abantu ukuthi bagome.
We are lacking in terms of the messaging, reaching the people and convincing everybody who is eligible to come forward.
Ubese enxenxa abantu bakulelizwe abakunoma ngabe imuphi umkhakha ukuthi belekelela uhulumeni igqugquzelwa abantu ukuthi bayogoma.
We invite everybody, the media, all leaders of society who can bring fresh ideas in terms of the issues which we need to respond. What are the things which still make people hesitant?
Kulesi isithangami kuvelile ukuthi na kanjani izwe lizogcina lingenile ehlandleni lesihlanu lwalolu bhubhane.
We're fairly sure there will probably be a fifth wave. I think as to the timing, as we've seen with the other waves, I think very difficult to predict an exact timing. But as with all the other waves, I think there's multiple factors which do play in.
Umnyango wezempilo uthi kunethimba elixoxisana nomnyango wezemfundo ukuze izinto igcine ibuyele esimweni esejwayelekile ezikoleni zakulelizwe.
The technical working group run by Professor Siphelile that's been convened in the next two or three days to help the Department of Basic Education address some of the issues around spacing and how to optimize the academic year for schools.
Isifundazwe iGauteng siyaphuma ehlandleni lesine lolu bhubhane nokinto ebonakala izokwethula omkhulu umthwalo emahlombe omnyango wezempilo kwazise lesingesinye seyifundazwe sinesibalo esiphezulu sabantu kulelizwe kanti isona sifundazwe siwumgogodla womnotho wezwe.
Again, I want to urge all those who have not yet vaccinated to come forward and receive their jabs.
NginguKalvin Dludla, wezindaba ze SABC, ngibika ngiseGoli.